Hello everyone, my name is Antonia and today we will be measuring some ingredients. We will be making coffee because my mother really loves coffee, and we will be making two types. The first one, iced coffee. That's her favorite. The second one is Dalgona coffee. You might have heard of it.
So here are the ingredients: Barako coffee for extra strong, coffee creamer, non-fat milk, sugar, ice cubes, and warm water. Using the measuring tool, you put 2 tablespoons of Barako coffee in the mug. Then, you put 4 tablespoons of sugar in the mug. Just like the sugar, put 4 tablespoons of warm water in the mug. Then, you mix it. Mix it for 3 to 5 minutes until it's frothy. There we go, seems frothy enough to me. Put the ice cubes. Then the milk. Then the coffee we mixed earlier. Ta-da! There we go, Dalgona coffee. For the iced coffee, put 2 tablespoons of coffee in the glass. Then, put 6 tablespoons of coffee creamer in the glass. Then 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 cup of warm water. We put the warm water in the cup. Then we mix it. And when it's completely mixed, we put the ice cubes. Ta-da! And there we have the iced coffee. And there, our 2 coffees that I made, Dalgona coffee and the iced coffee. I really hope that my mother likes it, to keep her awake. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed.